I welcome Dr. Madan Gulati, who is a MD Ayurveda expert and gold medalist and having rich 35 years of experience in clinical practice of Ayurveda. Thank you, Dr. Madan Gulati, for visiting our studio and giving us your valuable time. I would like to know about this wonderful miracle herb called Giloy, very popular nowadays. Please let us know something about it.
This Guduchi-Giloy cordifolia. So the leaves are like heart, so that's known as cordifolia.
Okay.
So this plant is very useful. It's also one of the Latin name is in Sanskrit we call it Shinruha. And similarly, the name is the Vasadani. The meaning is thereby that when the soul has gone departed, it's known as Amrita also.
Wonderful.
It's like Amrit, nectar. So such a wonderful plant it is. So it is there is a story about this plant that when this Rama and this Ravan Yuddha was there, this war was there, and in that battle, when these Vandras they went into this coma, and then the drops of the Indra, they put the drops of this nectar. So the Vandras they took that drop of this nectar. So where they were rejuvenated and they got up.
Okay.
But the plant, where this drop was grown, at that place this Amrita was grown. So that's known as Amrit. So this plant is a wonderful drug for the uric acid. It's a drug which we give in the rheumatoid arthritis with the ginger. When the Giloy is given with ginger, it is very useful in the rheumatoid arthritis. And when we give it with the gorkmundi, and it's very useful in the patients suffering from the uric acid. So plant is very good for the platelet, enhance the platelet count. When we give the juice of this plant with the wheatgrass juice with the Giloy juice, it's very useful in the increasing the platelet count. So this plant is very useful in the chronic type of fevers, maybe malaria, maybe swine flu, maybe this typhoid fever, or maybe chikungunya. And even it's wonderful in the swine flu when we give it the calming, this Androdophis paniculata. When we give this plant, this juice of this plant with the calming, and the powder of this plant is very useful in the patients suffering from the various types of the chronic fever. So this stem of this plant is used. It's about 1 feet of this stem of this plant. We make the sattva of this plant. The powder, this sort of powder, when we crush it, this plant, and put it into some vessel, and we collect that white powder, that is Giloy Satva. Giloy Satva is very useful in the, and it's a wonderful, it's a Vichitra Pratyara Dravya. Vichitra Pratyara, the properties are not recorded because the taste is thick, this bitter. And bitter tastes are mostly, they should be pungent in the taste after digestion, but it's having sweet taste after digestion, and it's hot in this potency. But still it is very effective in the patients suffering from gout. So it's one of the best drug for the gout, gouty arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, all type of arthritis, and to increase the chronic fever and increasing this platelet count. So
Dr. Gulati,
yes.
Dr. Gulati, tell us what is the effect of Giloy on three dosha, on Vata, Pitta and Kapha?
It's effective because it's semi-pathic. It's given all the three doshas, this Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So, all this kinetic and thermal and potential energies, they are
balanced.
They are balanced.
Okay, so it is three doshik.
It is the dosha. So it's really very effective in all the type of diseases which are semi-pathic in nature. So complicated problems.
So we use Giloy Sattva, or we can also use the powder form of the powder?
We can give the Giloy Sattva patients suffering from the hypertension, and for example, if some suffering from the menopausal syndrome, we give this Giloy Sattva with this Kamdudaras and Shatavari.
We can also use powder form.
We can use powder
form also.
This powder, we can give these leaves are very effective in the suffering from the patients from the hepatitis. Leaves are good for the hepatitis, but the main part is used, that is the stem of this plant. The powder is made up of the stem of this plant.
Okay.
So that's very good.
So are there any side effects of this herb using?
This is not, no known side effects are seen in this plant because it is a immunomodulator drug. Sometimes patient, because the immunity is increased, sometimes patient feels that he is suffering from temperature, because body and it is one of the antioxidant also.
Okay.
Enhances the immunity also.
Yeah.
And it works as an antibiotic also.
Thank you, Dr. Gulati, for letting us know about the Giloy. Thank you very much.